Hi everyone, welcome to our consultancy assignment guidance. In today's video, we will learn how to create step charts in Python using Matplotlib library. Step charts are commonly used for inventory levels, electricity tariffs, pricing models, and other situations where values remain constant until a change occurs. And also, the chart is useful when values change at specific intervals instead of continuously. At first, we have imported our Matplotlib library. Then we have created a data representing inventory levels over several days. And finally, we have created the step chart using the step function here and the y equals to mid parameter replaces the step changes in the middle of each interval. Now let's understand the plot. The horizontal sections show periods where the inventory remains unchanged, and on the other hand, the vertical jumps indicate when the inventory level changes. Unlike a line chart, the step chart clearly shows that values remain constant until the next update. This makes it ideal for visualizing discrete changes over time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for these types of videos. Thank you.